I nas sprawdzają osoby z wielu systemów, z wielu szkół walki.
And every time we lose,
I za każdym razem, jeśli przegrywamy,
sometimes you lose.
raz przegrywasz, raz wygrywasz.
You do the best, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Something is standing.
Robisz najlepiej jak potrafisz, tak samo w stójce.
And sometimes you lose, but when you lose,
Ale gdy przegrywasz,
you will never be a winner if you don't know how to lose. Think about the
nie
mistake,
będziesz nigdy
what
lepszy
you
nad błędem,
improve,
jak to poprawić.
and what was your mistake. For the next time, most of the people that say they do Kamaga,
Ale większość osób, które...
important that each one of you will come because people come from all over. And we want to show that we have in Poland a branch that is so strong, that is big. So another thing that I want to talk about here is you see another thing I want to talk to you today is you see that me and Steve wearing two symbols on our clothes. And this is because we belong to the system of the Guido system. And that's the reason that we couldn't use the IKMA logo in America because someone uses it and we cannot use it. So Grandmaster Chaim Gideon, the last 30 years, developed the system to get and bring it to what you see now. And I believe you see the difference between what we do to another style of Kamaga doing. That is all because of Grandmaster Chaim Gideon sitting, sleeping, drinking, always Kamaga and always singing about it. That's the reason we put together the Gideon logo that we can use, and that's going to separate us from different. And you see, we use two logos, not only one, because we not forget that the IKMA logo was belonged to him, and that was us. And Chris with these guys here in Poland fight on this symbol every day in Poland, with the IKMA logo. But there's a lot of people in the world that using this logo, and we try to fight them, but we not always succeed of fighting everybody. And that's the reason that we're still fighting on the symbol. We're never going to give up on it, but we're going to combine it with the Gideon logo, and it's going to be two logos together to separate us from the other side. Because people go with one logo, people don't see him as a Gideon system fighters or instructors or students. When they go with two logos, so people know that who you belong to. So we're trying to do it all over the world, and I hope in the future we can do it here too. But I believe that everybody here, including the instructor and me, Chris and everybody here, understand why we need to do this. But it's good for us as a system, as a family, to go up together and everybody understand why we're doing this, because we have to do it. Okay? Anyone else has a question? Now is the time for you to ask your question. Everything you want you can ask about techniques, about Kamaga, about the system, about association, about symbol, about law, whatever you want. This is your time. Good, bad, this is the time to talk. We are Israelis, and as Israelis, on the mat we talk because that's what we learn to do. But after the mat, we're just human, we're just civilian, and just all big one family that want to listen and improve ourselves together with you as a student. So, anyone who want to ask questions is welcome to come.
I have a question.
Yeah?
Are there any women teaching Israel Kamaga system?
There is a woman in Israel, but the problem in Israel is that the woman get married and then have babies, and then they're going to grow up the baby, don't have time for do this full-time job. But there is women in Israel teaching Israel Kamaga Gideon system. There is. But like I told you, everyone can be instructed.
I've got a question concerning all these techniques against bats and knives and
Yes,
also
ask.
how successful they are. So if
I don't understand. What you
if someone walks to you on the street and with knife and asks you to give him your wallet, would you try to protect yourself or?
It depends what you have in the wallet. Is in your wallet you have one, how do you say, if you have 5 zloty in your pocket, take the 5 zloty. I don't fight for 5 zloty and dead. Yes? Why do you want me to get stabbed for 5 zloty? Take 5 zloty, go, buy some sandwich or whatever. I don't know what to buy 5 zloty. But doesn't matter. You learning self-defense and Israeli Kamaga Gideon system is divided to two parts. One part is self-defense, and the other part is end-to-end combat. You're going to see a different style of Kamaga, the teaching. They don't teach end-to-end combat like you see. They teach only self-defense. But self-defense is not enough. Because if you never get beat in the face, if you never blood from your face, if you never get hit in the body, if you never fall down and someone sit on you, if you never submitted by a triangle choke or a punch in the face or a guillotine choke, how can you understand what to do if someone going to fight with you? Understand? So for that, I defend myself only if I have to. If I don't have to, I don't fight. I try to stop it with words. Not always is the right time to fight. Sometimes it's not a good situation to fight. Someone wants 5 zloty and you have 5 people with you. So what are you going to do? Five people? It depends. But if I go in the street with my wife or with my kid, and I know if I give him the money I'm going to be in trouble, I will fight. But if I'm alone, I will go away. And the situation is different. Because, for example, if I'm in Poland, somebody 5 zloty, take 5 zloty. But if I'm going to be in Israel next to my house, I won't give it. Why? Because this is my house, this is my country, this is my place. If I give him now 5, next he wants 50. Understand? But in Poland, tomorrow I fly home, nobody know me. Yes? So why should I give him? So what I say to you is you have to be smart. Because you live only once. It's not in the movies. You get shot, you're dead 16 times, you wake up and you continue. Life is precious. And when you fight for your life, you have to know why you fight. What is the reason you fight? And if it's important enough to fight for this. You understand? This answers your question? Very good.